Sexual reproduction in plants. Plants, like most living things, reproduce to ensure their species continues. We have already learnt about one way they do this, asexual reproduction, where new plants grow from parts of the parent plant. Now let's study another method, sexual reproduction. This process involves special parts of the plant called flowers, and it results in the formation of seeds. Flowers, the reproductive organs. Flowers are not just pretty to look at, they are the organs of plant reproduction, especially in flowering plants called angiosperms. Inside these colorful structures, male and female parts work together to create new life. Structure of a flower. Most flowers have four main parts arranged in whorls on a base called the thalamus or receptacle. Calyx, the outermost whorl, is made up of green leaf-like structures called sepals. Their job is to protect the young flower bud while it is developing. Corolla, this is the colorful part we often associate with flowers. It is made up of petals that attract pollinators like insects and birds. Androecium, this is the male part of the flower. It consists of stamens, each with a thin stalk called a filament, and a head called the anther. The anther produces tiny grains called pollen, which contain the male sex cells. Gynoecium pistil, this is the female part of the flower, and the innermost whorl. It is made up of one or more carpels. Each carpel has three parts. Stigma, the sticky tip that receives pollen. Style, a slender tube connecting the stigma to the ovary. Ovary, the swollen base that contains ovules. Ovules are like tiny eggs, and they develop into seeds after fertilization. Did you know? Some flowers have both male and female parts, while others have only one or the other. Types of flowers. Most flowers have all four whorls, sepals, petals, stamens and pistil. These are called complete flowers. But some flowers may be missing one or more whorls, making them incomplete flowers. Flowers that possess both the male reproductive part, androecium, and the female reproductive part, gynoecium, are called complete flowers. These flowers are also referred to as bisexual or hermaphrodite flowers because they have both sexes present. Examples of complete flowers include hibiscus, roses, and petunias. On the other hand, some flowers lack either the androecium or the gynoecium. These are known as incomplete flowers. Incomplete flowers are unisexual, meaning they are either male or female. Male flowers, also called staminate flowers, only have stamens, the male reproductive part. Female flowers, also called pistil flowers, only have pistils, the female reproductive part. Papaya and maize plants are examples where you'll find separate male and female flowers. There are even some rare flowers that have neither stamens nor pistils. These are called neutral flowers, and the ray florets of sunflower are a good example.